I told you? Millions of people still use ChatGPT every single day, but the smartest creators, developers, and business owners have already switched to something even better. These AI tools are faster, smarter, and some are completely free. Today, I'll show you the first 2 AI tools that are changing everything. And trust me, tool number 1 completely shocked me. Tool number 7, Perplexity AI. Most people use Google to search for answers, but Google gives you links. Perplexity gives you answers. It searches the internet in real time, cites reliable sources, and explains everything in seconds. Students love it. Researchers use it. Business owners save hours every week. If you're still opening 20 browser tabs, you're wasting your time. But that's nothing, because the next AI tool can actually think, write, and even code. Better than ChatGPT in many situations. Tool number 6, Claude AI. Meet Claude AI. Many programmers now prefer Claude over ChatGPT. Why? Because Claude understands extremely long documents, writes more natural content, explains difficult topics more clearly, and can even analyze thousands of lines of code without getting confused. If you create content, study, or run a business, Claude might become your new favorite AI. And this was only part 1. In part 2, you'll discover the AI tools that are making creators thousands of dollars, including one tool that can literally clone your voice. Don't miss it. Subscribe now, because part 2 is coming very soon.